Guys, we got package very small, very slim from the Dengan. This is neck holder Lanyard, holder phone and GoPro holder for the neck. Should be like this. Let's check it out. Okay. This is packaging, and let's open this only like this. Oh, it's thick, so tightening. I will open this very well. This is now the packaging. Oh, it's stick to the ground. Okay. This is the items. This is the code. Let's see. Yeah, only this and this. It's locking to here. And this put in your neck. Like a doctor stethoscope. You put the landing system in here. Just tightening with this. Well, very nice. Okay, from the past device we got a tongue-assist device like this, and has holes in here. I will try to use this to here and put like this. Wow, not enough. Okay, I must be fun. Another way to put camera lenses in here. Should be held in here, so it can be held like this. Okay, so thank you for watching.